Is it possible to have a regular polygon each angle of which has 153 degrees? Give reasons for your answers. So to answer this, we will utilize the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n, where n is the number of sides of the regular polygon. So this formula will gives us the measure of each angle of a regular polygon. So for this case, we have 153 degrees. So we will solve for the number of sides. So n minus 2 times 180 degrees is equal to 153 degrees n. So distribute 180. We have 180 minus 360. We have 180 degrees n minus 153 degrees n is equal to, so we have 27. So divide both sides by 27. This gives us the number of sides equal to 40 over 3. So the answer is no. So no polygon can have a fractional number of sides. So it should be a whole number like 6, 7, 8, etc. So it should be a whole number, not a fractional number. So no polygon can have a fractional number of sides. So therefore, an interior angle of 153 degrees is not possible or impossible.